I don't know. What do you think about this place to camp? I call it Ocotillo Point, see? And that one gold flower. But look, Ocotillos. That's canyons over here. Yuki's over here. And I like this big old Ocotillo right here. It's about to bloom. What do you think, huh? Thumbs up, down. Here's another area close to by where I camped. Looks like there's a way to get down there. I see tire tracks, but a lot of little slot canyons and stuff down in there, it looks like. This is what's cool about discovering America, the part that you haven't seen. You come to all these places unadvertised. It's fun to see it, man.